Welcome friends, we are back with another most useful tutorial regarding to Visual Studio Code, because as we all know, when we first install the Visual Studio Code, it will start with a black theme. As you can see here, I have installed Visual Studio Code with a fresh installation and it starts with a black theme, which is kind of very different for me, and I prefer lighter themes, light white color themes. So you can easily change themes in Visual Studio Code. First you have to click on the file menu. Now go to preferences. Here you can find an option named as color theme. Click on it. Now all the available Visual Studio Code themes are here. As you can see, I simply click on light Visual Studio Code and the theme of my Visual Studio Code is now changed. You can simply change it again by going to preferences, color theme, or light plus default light. Again preferences, color theme, solarized light. As you can see, you can set it as you required. So guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and give us a thumbs like, and please share my channel or my videos with your friends.